Good morning, everybody. You should be able to tell by my garb this morning that this video has very little to do with Gardner Engines. I'm afraid we've got bad news. On the 29th of November, our darling 32-year-old son, Kevin, died while under intensive care in a Nairobi hospital. A few days before, he had been shot, and despite the best efforts of the hospitals there, they couldn't save him, and he died. Now, we are, as you can imagine, as a family, we are devastated by this news. It has affected us very deeply. But we're determined to take this calamity positively. We've now got 5 wonderful children, and we've got 6 grandchildren who have been together very supportive over this very difficult period. Now, as I said, our intention is to take this calamity positively. We're not going to let it get us down. We've set up a Fund Me page on the internet, and you'll see a link up above here, and if you click that, you can go there and you can donate to our charity. Our intention is to support a charity in Kenya that's involved with running in some way. We know that's what Kevin would want. So, Kevin, if you Google in quotes for Kevin McCool, you'll read all about this guy. You'll very soon ascertain that he was a star. He was someone really quite special. He was a very gifted runner. He was Ulster 1500 metres champion on the track. He ran for Ireland. He was on the winning cross-country team in the Irish Championships. He worked for the British Army, and he won a lot of accolades there due to his running there, and he represented the Army against the other services on several occasions. He also represented his school and his university. Now, Kevin was also an accomplished musician. He had grades in piano and in harp. He played tin whistle, guitar, and he had a good singing voice. He would have sang songs by Christy Moore, and he would have sang traditional Irish songs. He had quite a pleasant voice. And of course, I still have my old Gardner Engines to work at, and they too have been have been a great help over the past few weeks. That's all I've got for you for now. Thanks a lot.